How to manage ask to confirm when leaving on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ask to confirm when leaving on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click this one more. To go to setting, click these 3 points and now click this one meeting, and now just go down and you will find this one here, ask to confirm when leaving a meeting. Just click, and as you see, ask to confirm when leaving a meeting has been turned on, and you can turn it off again if you want. And that's how manage ask to confirm when leaving a meeting on the mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.